And even what they did in 2019. And the reason is that we can see when APC took over from PDP in 2015, where were we? And today, where are we? Take, for instance, if you talk about the economy, you talk about how much was a dollar. In 2015, a dollar was 190 naira. Today, we are 570 naira per dollar. Now, if you talk about security, we used to hear about the insecurity around Borno area and generally in the northeast. Today, the entire country, these 6 geopolitical zones are affected. If you talk about social life, if you talk about life generally, tell me, which Nigerian can travel from Abuja here and go to his village and stay there without full complements of the security agencies of this country and come back alive or not kidnapped? This is a challenge. Even in Abuja, we hear about kidnappings, we hear about several killings that should not take place. Then you begin to wonder, how many people are willing to come and do their investment if the federal capital territory of a country like Nigeria is also affected in insecurity? They address nothing. The whole of federal capital territory, tell me, cries are all over the place every day. And that is why I'm talking about even the federal capital territory, issues of insecurity have taken over. Nigerians cannot move forward. And so I think that our people living here in Abuja, including some of us, because it was from here that I went back to Benue, said, all those people who support us, let us vote PDP back to government. And I can assure you that PDP is ready to provide leadership that will ensure security for lives and property, that will ensure economic growth, that will ensure rebuilding of our country. Honestly, Nigerians made a mistake by voting for APC in 2015 and through 2019, and we have seen the pains that we have gone through in this country. So my belief is that once we are voted in, we'll turn things around. Thank you.
Thank you very much. CPS.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.